In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of canceling an Uber Eats order. Whether you've changed your mind or made a mistake, we'll show you how to cancel it quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on the orders icon or the account icon, depending on your app layout. This will take you to your order history. Find the order you want to cancel, tap on it to open the details of the order. Once you're viewing the order details, look for the cancel order button. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen or in the options menu. Tap on cancel order. You may be asked to confirm your cancellation. Confirm by selecting yes or confirm to finalize the cancellation. Note that there might be a cancellation fee depending on how far along your order is in the process. After confirming, you'll receive a notification that your order has been cancelled. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Uber Eats order.